Hello, this is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com, and it's time for another ImagineFX magazine year click look video thingy. And what I do on these is I take a look at all of the ImagineFX magazines from each year, and this one's going to be the year of 2009. So this is issues number 39 to 51. So because it's a new year, we got a new little puppet friend, and this is Billy the Bumblebee, and he's going to be helping us get through these. So let's go and have a look at these ones. And the first one we're going to have is this one, which has got a beautiful back cover. Now I can't remember, but I think hopefully these are all of the subscriber issues, which means you don't get any text on the covers or anything. So I love that back cover and the front cover. Oh, I prefer the back cover. So this is issue number 39, January 2009. It's a beautiful cover, but I love that back cover more. So I wonder if that was the regular cover. I'm not sure. It reminds me of, what was that game called on the PS1? There's like a Tenchi game or something. Yeah, it's cool. I love the way they do that, look. Like the shininess. So what I do on these is, well, little Billy the Bumble, he's going to help us just go through it and we just see what we think. So inside we go, and we've got Mr. Potato Head. He's quite cool. I like the little sketches of this one. Yeah, I would like to see this artist do a female character. Yay, it's Claire. I forgot about that. We've got our favourite editor Claire with us for these ones. So these are like 15 years old now. It's crazy. So I wonder if this is going to be sort of based around Oriental characters. That'd be quite nice. Oh yeah, and also in 2009 they used to have DVDs with them. So I won't be looking at the DVDs on these videos, but I do miss these DVDs. There was something cool about having a little DVD with them. I would like, what would be really cool I think is if, say for issue 300 or something, if they did a one-off special with a DVD. That would be quite cool. This is the FX Pose section. She's beautiful. What I've noticed is the quality of the artwork in the FX Pose section has really gone up. I feel like that's the section, I love that pose. I feel like this FX Pose section is the part of the magazine which has really evolved the most over the years. Maybe it's just because artists have got better at using technology. Or maybe the technology is getting easier, so it's easier to make nicer things or something. The devil is in the detail. That's a nice style. Look at him, look. I wonder that Ray Harryhausen. Ray Harryhausen. Killzone 2, look. PS3. Hey, X-Blades, I had that game on the Xbox. I really liked that game. Most people said it wasn't very good, but I thought it was cool. And this is one of the things I love about going through these old magazines, is you get all the old video games and things. Yeah, and also they used to be very much about the community. Whereas they've sort of, I think they should bring something like that back as well into the magazines. This is all about the forum, look. Letters! With our little friend Claire. And this is the artist Q&A. It's very strange when you go through the old issues. You realise there's a lot of sections in the old ones that I don't think they sort of I was going to say they don't stand the test of time or something. I'm not sure what it is, but that's nice. I like this character as well. The Art of Dave Seeley, Aliens and Predators. Look. I want to take the fantasy seriously. Make space opera rock. Oh, cool. I love this. Yeah, I like that. Hey, look. Star Wars. Worked for Lucasfilms. Yay! Sketchbook. Dylan Shipley. This is a nice one. Imagine if that was the cover. That'd be cool, that would. Oh, I love the characters, and I love the way this sketchbook is just... everything's thrown at it. It does feel like they've taken a photo of the actual sketchbook. Instead of putting separate sketches in. I love that. For me, this is like a proper sketchbook. Artist portfolio of Eva Soulu. Quite haunting, that one. Yeah, look, little Red Riding Hood. Oh, yay! So Eva Soulu did the back. Oh, cool! Look at that. Alice in Wonderland, look, with a monster. Oh, that would have been a nice cover. I love this. Yeah, look at this little monster thing. Look. It reminds me a bit of Totoro from Studio Ghibli. Like an evil. That would be like an evil, realistic looking Totoro. Oh, cool characters here. I'm going to look into this artist. Art class. This is another one of those sections which I'm not sure. It doesn't excite me as much as the other bits. FX Pose Traditional, I love these. Look, they're coming out of a pie. They're coming out of a pie, coming out of a snake. What would you rather be inside of, a pie or a snake? I'd rather be inside of a snake, I think. It'd be quite exciting. These are cool, these are. Into the Workshop. Hey, I like the look of that one. This is our samurai, look. The Hong He. Yeah, I've heard of him before. He's a very cool character, it's just I'm more into me females. Samurais. Brilliant. Photoshop. Starting from scratch with Marek Ocon. That's nice as well, look. It's got a sort of a Final Fantasy vibe to me. That's cool. Oh yeah. Look, I love these sort of workshops. How to draw legs. They've actually produced like anatomy. They call them bookazines. They're sort of like magazines, but it collects all of these anatomy things that they do. Willies. Oh yeah, colourful manga. I like her outfit. Again, it's not like, for me, that isn't sort of high level quality manga for me. But I like the feeling of it. They look like cool characters as well. What's this here, look? Oh, this is what we'll have next week. Next week we're going to have I hope that's on the cover. Adam Hughes. Yay! Look, he's painted the finest female characters in comics. Oh, cool. I'm looking forward to that one. Rendering up a Cyberman. That's nice, that is. Nice feeling article as well. Yeah, that was really cool, that. Again, I'm not really into me robots, but I like that one. This is the reviews. So these are like, look, these are like 15-year-old reviews now. Paint shop, hey, that, I've got that artwork. That's in one of my on my website. That is in the inspirational artists. Matte painting. The artists, they're like brilliant art books. Dragon's Dream. Yay! I love that. One of the best animes, that is. Oh, and Evangelion. Look, the box set. I think I've watched half of that. I've never finished it. That is such a good anime, that is. And that's it. We finish with talking about the DVD. Plop! Well, I enjoyed that. That cover, I wish that was the front cover. If that was the front cover, it would be in contention for cover of the year, that would. So at the moment, this is my favourite cover, because it's the only one. What was my favourite article? I think, if you can hear the kids, it's the kids running around outside. I think this was my favourite article, this one. How to draw the legs. And there's some beautiful artwork in the FX Pose section. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 39 of the ImagineFX magazine for January 2009. And next week we're going to look at this one. Dragons. So hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you later for another one.